Hi everyone, Cornelius here. Today I'm going to do a quick demo on how to become a host on Gaderin. So to be able to list an experience or host an activity on Gaderin, you need to first create an account. As you can see here, I'm already signed in, but if you aren't signed in, it will request you to sign in. On this page, you can see all the host terms of service and everything. So to list an activity, there are a few details you need to provide. The first thing is the activity title. So we always recommend giving it a title that is very descriptive of the activity, so that because people usually search for that, so something that includes the name of the activity. Then you select a category and you paste in a description. I just paste in a description I wrote beforehand, but we always recommend giving it a very detailed description. So there are two pricing options available, the free and the paid. For the paid, you can do up to 6 tiers. So here I'll just give it a beginner. I'll make it 1,000, or let's say 2,000, and I'll do maximum attendance 10. I'll add another tier, maybe intermediate. Let's say it will cost 1,005, and then maximum attendance 10. So yes, you can add in optional fields. So if you require any extra information, maybe skill level, dietary restrictions, all those things, you can add in those in here. Now over here, you upload pictures. You can upload a maximum of 5. We always recommend the first image is an image of the activity. So here I'll put an image of someone playing golf, and you can add other images. And also each image should be maximum 4 megabytes. Yes. Now the final thing will be to enter in the logistics, so date, time, where the activity is taking place. So here I'll put in a date, I'll put in the time. So if your activity occurs on more than one day, what we call a recurring thing, you enter this, you select this checkbox, select the day. So here I'll select Monday, Tuesday, and let's say Wednesday. Then how long the experience will take, or how long the activity will take. So let's say the golf lesson will take 2 hours per session. Then over here you can enter the location. So we'll put in Achimota Golf Course. And then you put in what can be found on Google Maps, so Achimota Golf Course. So if you try to submit without completing all the required fields, you'll get an error. So I will just test it out and delete the location and then try to submit. So as you can see, it tells me, oops, you are missing some field, location is required. So I put in the location and I try to submit again. Okay, so it's activity successfully added. Or redirect you to your host dashboard. Now, if you're a first-time host, it will redirect you to account settings where you enter your bank account details and everything. But if you are an already existing host, it will just redirect you to the dashboard. And under host dashboard and my hosted events, you can edit your events if you need to change something and all those things. And on your public profile, you can see all the experiences you've hosted or activities you've hosted. So this was a quick demo on how to become a host on Gaderin. Hope it was helpful. Thank you.